Hi everyone, my name is Kaushik and today I'm trying to solve the July lead code, not July, this is the August lead code challenge problem. The problem is unique path and question number is 62 and it came as a lead code medium. So the problem is that there is a robot has been present m cross n grid and robot is initially at the top left and that means that the 0 position and the robot tries to move to the bottom right corner. So the robot can only move the either down or the right side at any point. Given two integer m and n, return the number of possible unique path that the robot can take to reach the bottom right corner. So I am right now trying to dry run on that, and then after that I am trying to implement my logic as a coding interpretation. Yep. Okay, suppose I have that part, that is the matrix. Okay, that is the robot has been present and it is trying to go to the bottom right corner. So my approach is that how I will take that. I am trying to if anyone trying to do that, there is can do the top to bottom. I am trying to from the bottom to right. So what I am trying to do that, that is the way. From that, there is the way, basically 1 and 1. There is the one way and there is the one way. There is the one way. And initially there is the position is 0. Starting position is 0. And from there, I have been taking that which position. So robot can go to the right side and the bottom side. So that is the way we can check that. So that is the way. So that and that one, that is 2. So when in that way, so that is 2 and 1, that is 3. And that one, 1 plus 2, that is 3. And that is 3 plus 3, that is 6 way. Total 6 way the robot can go to the top to bottom right corner, left corner to bottom right corner. So what is that? That is the way, that is one way, that is the way, there is a 3 way and 1, 4, 5 and that is 6. So that is that the total 6 way it can go from top left to bottom right. So what is basically that? I am taking that the from initial position that to 1, I mean that the from 1 and 1 and that 1 and 1, and then after that I am taking that the right side and the bottom with adding with that matrix, I mean that not matrix, that is the grid. So after that, which the value has been taken into that 0 value, that will be the written as an answer. So I am traversing all the grid has been present there. So that is why the time complexity will be if the row is n and the column is m. In that case, the time complexity will be order of n cross m. And I am also taking as an extra space, so that is why space complexity also order of n cross m there. So right now I am trying to implement my logic as a coding interpretation. So what I'll do that, I make a function. So return solve m comma n. Yeah. Here we'll have to notice that here m is the row and the n has been given as in the column size. Integer solve integer n integer m. So I'm taking that as a reference. If if I am the first, I'll have to check that, and the initial condition. Okay, hold on. Okay, what the value? Yeah, if n is equals to 1 and the m is equals to 1, that is mean that it is already in the starting position. So in that case I will directly return 0, and otherwise case I am taking that as in vector of vector grade of n plus 1 vector of integer m plus 1 comma 0. And right now for we'll have to initialize that the right column and the left and the last row as a 1. So integer I is equals to 0, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus, and the grade of I of n minus 1, that become 1, and for integer j is equals to 0 to j less than m minus 1 j plus plus, and in that case grid of last one, that means that I 0 1 2, I mean the last one, hold on, I'm taking that basically what is that, I am taking that as in 0 1 2 and 0 1 2 if I've been taking there, so 2 0 2 1 2 2, and that is 2 0, oh sorry, yep, 0 0 2 1 2 2 2. So what is that, that is the I has been changing there, here the j has been changing there, and the value will be I has been constant. Okay, I has been constant, so I mean that there I has been, each and everything I has been constant, so I there m minus 1, not m minus 1, sorry, there is the n minus 1 of I, that is j. Is it okay? 1 2 3, sorry, that's the m minus 1, and there is n minus 1, that is equals to 1. Okay, and then for integer I is equals to n minus 2 to I greater than or equals to 0, I minus minus, for integer j is equals to m minus 2 j greater than or equals to 0, j minus minus, and grade of ij is equals to grade of I plus 1 j plus j ready I j plus 1. So after that I will return the grid of 0 of 0. So right now I'm trying to check that my logic is right or wrong. Yeah, it is right there. So let me check another example. 5 and 10. Yeah, it is giving me right answer, so I am right now trying to submit there. Okay. Yeah, integer int n. Oh, sorry. N cross m. That means that the grid one way. That is the way. And hold on. I may be make wrong in the base condition. Okay, there. Hold on. If I've been taking, there is a 1 starting from 0 0. There is a 1. That is the way. That is the way. 1 1. That is the grid size basically. Okay, hold. And what is that basically? Yeah, that is 1 1, right? That is n minus 1. Okay, and I mean that 1 cross n 2 by 2. Okay. Yeah, n minus 1 and 2 minus 3 by 7. So 3 by 7, that means that 3, yep, that one, and 3 and 2. So 1 and 1, it means that 0 1 0 0 1. That is the 1 and 1. 3. Okay, 1 2 3. So in that case, 1 cross a 1. So that is 1 0 1 1 1. Yeah, that is basically taking there. If I've been standing there, and they'll have to go there. So basically the one way. So that is why that is not return 0. It will be return 1. Because what I'm taking there, because I have been that is 1 2 3 1 2 3, because here as an visual interpretation there is an 3 of 7, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3. So that is why I am taking that as an by the logic is same, but they are taking that as an one index array. So basically that is a 1 there is an 1 1 starting from there, and there is an 1 2. So basically that there is the initial condition there, that will be the single case. So that will be the return 1 for there. So right now I am trying to return as a 1. So trying to submit there. Is it okay or not? Yeah, it's got accepted. Thank you so much.